Hi you guys, long time no voiceover. This video is actually from last year, but I figured that I'd still share the swatches of this Morphe NIKITA Dragon palette because one, I do think that it is still available for purchase, and two, I've been using it a lot lately for a lot of Halloween looks and a lot of creative looks. There's a very unique bunch of colors in this palette, which is why I really like it, mixed with like the neutral colors in this palette too. So I definitely recommend if you are someone who kind of really just gets out of the box with your makeup. I think it's a really good palette. And there's some good shades for like a grungy holiday makeup in here as well. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be creating this like bad Santa kind of look. It is from last year, so you may have seen it before, but if you haven't, here it is, and I hope you've been enjoying my holiday content thus far. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and we're just gonna get right into it for this video. And actually, before I go, let me let you guys know that I will be doing a review of the brand new Morphe holiday palette. I have no idea what the name of it is called. I'm literally in my studio right now, so while this video keeps playing, I'm gonna look for it. Hold on. It's called the 35X Big Primpin palette. So if this palette is not your style, this one, new one from Morphe, is super pink, super gold, super glittery and shimmery, and just such a pretty palette for not only the holidays, but I think for bridal too. So enjoy the rest of this video, and I will talk to you guys really soon. Love you. you.